Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prescribed dose and device model because misloading changes drug delivery. Once done, wash your hands and sit upright to align your airway. This improves deposition. Next, open the inhaler exactly as the manufacturer shows and insert the tablet or capsule into the chamber. Don't force it. If the capsule clicks or fits loosely, stop and realign. Make sure any seal or cap is securely closed before continuing. You now activate the dose. Pierce the capsule or prime the device following the steps, because correct activation releases the proper particle size. Once activated, exhale fully away from the mouthpiece to avoid moisture contamination. Bring the mouthpiece to your lips and seal with your teeth and tongue, then inhale forcefully for dry powder inhalers or slowly for breath-actuated types. After inhaling, hold your breath for about 5 to 10 seconds to let particles settle in the lungs, then exhale slowly. You finish by removing and safely disposing of the spent tablet or capsule because leftover fragments can obstruct future doses. Then wipe the mouthpiece with a dry cloth and let it air dry. Do not soak most devices. Moisture damages powders. Store the inhaler in a cool, dry place. If your inhalation feels weak or you taste powder, retry the loading and inhalation once. If problems continue, clogging, missing dose, or unexpected resistance, stop using and contact your provider or pharmacist for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.